Working with table saws, jointers, and router tables demands precision, control, and most importantly, safety. A good push stick or push block keeps your hands at a safe distance from the blade while giving you the stability to make cleaner cuts. In today's video, I'll look at the 10 best push sticks and blocks that every woodworker should consider adding to their workshop. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Powertec 71009V Push Block. The Powertec 71009V's push block is designed with both safety and comfort in mind. It offers excellent hand protection and enhances workpiece stability during cutting, routing, or jointing. Its ergonomic grip fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for better control without fatigue during long woodworking sessions. Built from durable materials, this push block gives you a firm, slip-resistant hold, perfect for guiding wood through your table saw, jointer, or bandsaw. At just 2.05 pounds, it's lightweight yet solid enough to maintain consistent pressure for precise results. If you're smoothing rough lumber or ripping narrow boards, the Powertec 71009V helps you work smarter and safer every time. Next up, the Microjig GR100 push block is one of the most versatile push blocks on the market. It's a fully adjustable system that provides unmatched balance, support, and precision when cutting wood. The ergonomic handle gives you total control, helping you maintain smooth, stable movement across the blade. Made from high-quality plastic with high-speed steel blades, this hand-powered tool is built for both accuracy and safety. The rectangular design and adjustable features allow it to grip your workpiece from multiple angles, reducing kickback and ensuring cleaner cuts. Weighing only 1 pound, it's lightweight but durable enough to handle a wide range of woodworking tasks. Number 3. Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO Push Block. The Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO is built to give you maximum control and comfort when working with saws or jointers. Its diamond grip base ensures your material stays steady, while the adjustable sacrificial heel lets you maintain a perfect hold on different types of workpieces. This hand-powered push block is ideal for reducing kickback and maintaining even pressure across the board. Weighing around 1 pound, it's light enough for easy maneuvering, yet strong enough to deliver excellent traction and stability. Number 4. Fulton Push Stick. The Fulton Push Stick is a simple yet reliable safety tool that deserves a place in every woodshop. Made from heavy-duty plastic, this push stick is designed to withstand daily use without bending or cracking. Its durable build makes it a long-lasting companion for all your cutting, ripping, and jointing tasks. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, helping you guide your materials through the blade with precision and confidence. One of its standout features is the magnetic base, allowing you to easily attach it to your table saw or metal surface when not in use. At just 12 ounces, it's lightweight and perfectly balanced, giving you smooth control even during long woodworking sessions. Number 5. Microjig GRR-RIPPER GR2Go Push Block. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER GR2Go Push Block takes woodworking safety to the next level with its innovative design. This hand-powered push block gives you the control and accuracy needed to handle even the most delicate cuts. The angled handle provides a natural grip position, reducing strain on your wrist and improving control during extended projects. This model is compact and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for use on a variety of machines including table saws, router tables, and jointers. At just 12.3 ounces, it's lightweight but incredibly sturdy, offering excellent stability and consistent pressure. Next up, the Peachtree Woodworking Supply Push Block Set offers outstanding value for those looking for a complete safety kit. Featuring a variety of push sticks and push blocks, this set gives you the flexibility to tackle multiple types of woodworking operations. Constructed from foam rubber and durable plastic, the push blocks deliver a strong, non-slip grip for improved stability while cutting. The rubber pads provide excellent traction, reducing slippage and improving your control over the workpiece. With a total weight of around 2.1 pounds, this set is sturdy yet easy to handle. Number 7. Zebekk F03-2 Push Block. The Zebekk F03-2 push block is designed for woodworkers who want precision and safety in one compact tool. Constructed with durable high-speed steel for the blade and a robust plastic handle, this push block ensures a secure grip and reliable guidance of your workpiece. Its rectangular blade shape allows even pressure distribution, making it ideal for straight cuts and rip operations on your table saw or jointer. Weighing 1.8 pounds, this push block feels substantial in your hand without being cumbersome. Its sturdy construction helps reduce the risk of kickback while allowing you to maintain full control over your workpiece. Number 8. Products FeatherPRO FP1 Push Block. The Products FeatherPRO FP1 Push Block is perfect for woodworkers who handle multiple tools and setups. This push block is equipped with replaceable feathers that provide excellent grip on your workpiece without causing damage. The high-density EVA material absorbs impact, reducing kickback and keeping your hands safe. With a 19mm blade, it works efficiently on a variety of cuts while remaining lightweight at just 14.4 ounces. The non-marring surface ensures your workpieces stay clean, and the ergonomically designed plastic handle makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 9. Hedgehog PB-100 Push Block. The Hedgehog PB-100 push block stands out for its strength and compactness. Made from glass fiber reinforced nylon, this tool is extremely tough, resistant to wear, and capable of handling the most demanding woodworking tasks. Its lightweight design of just 5.3 ounces makes it easy to maneuver, while still offering solid grip and control over your materials. Despite its small size, the Hedgehog PB-100 delivers professional-grade performance. Its sturdy construction ensures that you can safely guide workpieces through saws or routers without worrying about slippage. Number 10. DEWALT DW744X Push Stick. The DEWALT DW744X Push Stick is a professional-grade tool designed for maximum safety and control in any woodworking shop. Its high-speed steel blade ensures precise cuts, while the sturdy plastic handle provides a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. The push stick features a rectangular blade shape with 30 teeth, making it highly efficient for guiding workpieces through saws, jointers, or other machinery safely. Weighing just 3 ounces, this is lightweight yet extremely durable, allowing you to maintain smooth and consistent pressure on your material. And that is the list of the best push sticks and blocks that can help make your woodworking safer, smoother, and more precise. If you found a push stick or block you'd love to try, check out all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more helpful tool guides and woodworking tips just like this. Stay safe and happy woodworking!